Too much toothpaste. It's time to brush your teeth, but you don't know how much toothpaste to use. What should you do? Turn the page and find out. Look at all that toothpaste. Uh-oh, this is too much. Tooth trouble. As you read, think about how you can solve each problem. Learn how to solve some toothy problems. And right up here it says, use a drop the size of a pea. So that's a much smaller amount of toothpaste, huh? The problem, sticky teeth. You ate candy. Candy has sugar in it. Now your teeth are sticky. Why is it a problem? Sugar is bad for your teeth. It can cause a cavity. What should you do? Brush your teeth. Brushing takes the sugar off. Brush 2 times a day for a healthy smile. The problem, shark teeth. New teeth grew behind your baby teeth. Now your teeth look like a shark's. Why is it a problem? The baby teeth could get in the way of your new teeth. What should you do? Your baby teeth might fall out on their own, but if they don't, tell your dentist. Your dentist can help. The problem, sore tooth. When something is sore, it hurts. A sore tooth hurts a lot. Why is it a problem? Your tooth might be sore because of a cavity. What should you do? Go to the dentist. Dentists check for cavities. They can also make your mouth feel better. The problem? Loose tooth. Your tooth is loose. You can wiggle it. Why is it a problem? It's not a problem. An adult tooth is growing under your baby tooth. That's why you can wiggle it. What should you do? Wiggle away. The baby tooth will fall out. An adult tooth will grow in. What's inside my teeth? Look at the diagram of the tooth. Then click on the correct answers. Instead of clicking, you will just circle in the correct answers. The crown is the top of the tooth up here. Pulp is the soft inside of the tooth in here. Soft gums are around the tooth. Here they are. The roots hold the tooth in place down here. So number 1 says, what holds the tooth in place? Crown, pulp, or roots? Go ahead and circle in the right answer. 2 says, what is the soft inside of the tooth called? Gums, pulp, or roots? Number 3 says, what is the top of the tooth called? Crown, gums, pulp. Bonus. There is no tooth under this tooth. Is this a baby tooth or an adult tooth? And circle what answer.